Java for Selenium interview questions. First one, why we prefer Java for Selenium? Selenium written in Java, it does not mean that Java only more comfortable with Selenium. We can use other supported languages also. Good support for Selenium with Java, we can get more help documents and implementations from internet. Majority of Selenium testers, nearly 77%, using Java, so knowledge sharing is very easy. Java is platform independent language. We can use it on any operating environment. Next, how much Java is required for Selenium? For test automation using Selenium, core Java knowledge is sufficient. Advanced Java not required. Java basics and object oriented concepts are enough. Java basics are data types, variables, modifiers, operators, flow control statements, functions, comments, etc. Java OOPS concepts are abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance and encapsulation. Next, what is Java? Java programming language was developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995. Now it is subsidiary of Oracle Corporation. Java is an object-oriented program language. In Java, everything is an object. Java can be easily extended since it is based on the object model. Java is a platform independent language. It can be compiled and interpreted. Java is simple, easy to learn and implement. Java is secureable. Using Java, we can develop virus-free and tamper-free systems. Next, how to set up Java environment for Windows operating environment. Download Java JDK software and install. Set path environment variable to access Java from any directory. Download and extract Eclipse IDE to write and execute Java programs. For more information, visit www.gcready.com 2015-9 Java environment setup for Selenium HTML. Next, what are the advantages of Java or usage of Java? Java is used to develop desktop applications. Example, Acrobat Reader. Java is used to develop web applications. Java is used to develop enterprise applications. Example, banking, insurance applications. Java is used to develop mobile applications. Java is used to develop embedded systems. Java is used to develop smart cards. Java is used to develop games software, etc. Next, what are the Java language syntax rules? Java is case sensitive language. Difference is therein between upper and lower case letters. First letter of a class name should be in uppercase. Method names should start with lowercase letter. Java program file name should exactly match with class name. Public static void main parameters string args. Java program execution starts from main method, which is mandatory in every Java program. Every statement should end with semicolon symbol. Next, What is the primary purpose of comments? To make the code readable. Next, what is data type? Data type is a classification of the type of data that a variable or object can hold in computer programming. Next, what are the 8 primitive data types in Java? Integer data types, byte 8 bits, short 16 bits, int 32 bits, long 64 bits. Rational data types, numbers with decimal places, float 32 bits, double 64 bits, characters char 16 bits, conditional boolean. Next, what are Java modifiers? What are Java modifiers? Modifiers are keywords that we add to those definitions to change their meanings. Java has two types of modifiers. One is access modifiers, another is non-access modifiers. Access modifiers are public, private, default and protected. Non-access modifiers are static, final, abstract, etc. Next, what are the types of variables in Java? Java has three types of variables. Instance variables, a variable that is declared inside the class but outside the method. Local variables, a variable that is declared inside the method. Static or class variables, a variable that is declared as static, it can't be local. Next, what are the categories of operators in Java? Operators are used to perform mathematical, comparison and logical operations. Important categories of operators in Java: assignment operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, etc. Next, what are the conditional statements in Java? Types of conditional statements in Java: if statement, switch statement. Next, what are the loop statements in Java? Whenever we want to execute a block of statements multiple times, then we use loop structures. There are 4 types of loop structures in Java: for loop, while loop, do while loop, enhanced for loop. Next, what is string? String is a sequence of characters written double quotes. String may have alphabets, numbers and special characters. Next, explain about arrays in Java. Java array is an object that holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. The length of an array is established when the array is created. Array length is fixed. Java array has 0 based index. Next, what are Java methods? Method is a set of statements to perform an operation. Methods, also known as procedures or functions. In structure programming, we use functions, built-in and user-defined. In object-oriented programming, we use methods, built-in and user-defined. Next, what is exception handling in Java? An exception is an event which occurs during execution of a program. Exception handling is mechanism to handle exceptions. Next, what is inheritance? It is a process of inheriting, reusing the class members, variables and methods from one class to another class is called inheritance. Non-static object level class members only can be inherited. The class where the class members are getting inherited is called as superclass, parent class, base class. The class to which the class members are getting inherited is called subclass, child class, derived class. The inheritance between superclass and subclass is achieved using extends keyword. Next, what is polymorphism? Polymorphism means extents of object behavior in many forms. There are two types of polymorphism in Java: compile time polymorphism, static binding, method overloading. Next, runtime polymorphism, dynamic binding, method overriding. Next, what is abstraction? It is a process of hiding implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. Next, what is Java interface? Interface is a Java type definition block which is 100% abstract. All the interface methods are by default public and abstract. Static and final modifiers are not allowed for interface methods. In interfaces, variables have to initialize at the time of declaration. Next, what is encapsulation? It is a process of wrapping code and data into a single unit. Encapsulation is the technique making the fields in a class private and providing access via public methods. It provides us control over the data. By providing setter and getter methods, we can make a class read only or write only. If we won't define setter method, then read only. Thank you